Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making cauliflower omurice. Omurice is a very popular Japanese omelette dish. It is usually made with fried rice, but today we are using cauliflower as a substitute. You can eat a lot more vegetable that way. Cauliflower crumbles are a convenient food that can be used as rice. You can chop it yourself or buy a bag of a ready-to-use kind. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we cut onion finely and cut chicken into 1-inch pieces. Heat a frying pan at medium heat and add the oil and butter. Melt the butter and add the chicken and cook for a minute. Add onion and cauliflower crumbles. Stir and cook until onion is soft and cauliflower is cooked. Now season it with salt and pepper. Stir it a little bit. And make room in the frying pan on one side and add the ketchup. Cook ketchup for about 30 seconds or so to cook it down first. And then mix with vegetables and cook for a couple of more minutes. Then add frozen peas and cook some more. Set aside for a short time while preparing eggs. Beat 2 eggs and a pinch of salt together and heat frying pan with 1 teaspoon oil at medium heat. Pour egg onto hot frying pan and stir eggs to help thicken a bit and make a thick crepe-like egg sheet. You don't want to overcook the egg here. Now place half of cauliflower mixture in the middle and wrap the filling with the egg using a spatula from the side, and then flip the pan over a plate and shape the omelette into oval shape with hands. Top with more ketchup over egg if you like. This omurice is loaded with protein and vegetable. It tastes surprisingly similar to the original omurice made with rice. Whether you want to cut down on rice or not, you should give this a try.
美味しい。
美味しいね。